In this video, we will talk about the light props. Global illumination produces beautiful indirect lighting, but this can be expensive to calculate and store on the disk. If you have set dressing or other static meshes that don't absolutely require light mapping, consider removing them from your light map bakes and use the light probes instead. The light baking settings are the same that we have seen in the previous video, just showing you for the quick review. In this example, the light props could approximate both direct and bounce lighting for the smaller objects, reserving the higher quality light mapping where it's more noticeable. And this is the light data asset. These are the light maps applied to the Viking Village project by Unity. In the scene, click on this light props, and these are the light props in the scene. Use light props for the smaller details where light mapping is less noticeable. Formerly reserved for dynamic objects, light props can apply to static meshes as well. And you've seen the 3D models have the mesh rendered component attached. Locate the received global illumination dropdown and toggle it from light map to the light props. By this, you are shifting the load from the light maps to the light props. The light probe illumination does not require proper UVs, saving you the extra step of unwrapping your meshes. The spherical harmonics basis function used in the probe lighting make it fast to calculate relative to the light mapping. In the scene, we have made all the non-moving objects as static. Arrange light probes and light probe groups, especially in the scene. Probe lighting typically bakes faster than the light mapping. These yellow circles are the light probes, and we can add more light probes by clicking here, Add Probe. We can select them and readjust them. From here we can select all. From here we can delete the selected, and from this button we can duplicate the selected light probe. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next.